All right, guys, just want to go over something in Google Classroom real quick. Some of you are really concerned about where it has your assignments listed as missing. Okay, so if you go into your Google Classroom and go into your classwork, and you can go into view your work, you'll get to this page, and this is everything that's been assigned to you. And if you notice, there is some assignments that say missing, 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 turned in, turned in. Okay, so if these missing assignments are bothering you, what you are not doing is when you are going into your assignment, say let's go to last week where it's day 2 and it says missing. So I'm going to go to view details. You may have done everything. You might have done the online option or you might have done the paper option. Now, if you've done the online option, then you need to write in this box, I did Think Central. And then turn it in and wait for it to load. And there it is. It says it's turned in. It turned in late. That's no big deal. It's been turned in. Now, if you look at it, it says it's been turned in late, but it's been turned in. And if you go back to your page, oh, and then you need to send me your comment, I'm sorry, about what you did. So if you did it online, you do I did Think Central, and then you turn it all in. Now, we're going to do that just one more time. You go to classwork, view your work, and if this missing, like I said, if all these missing assignments is freaking you out, then you need to go in as you do it each day, click it, and you have, it says missing, okay? It's because you didn't turn anything in for me. So whether or not you did the online version or the paper option, you need to turn something in to me if you do not want to see this missing label. So if you did the online version, then you type in here, I did the online option, and send me a message that says that, make sure it's right there, and then click turn in. Says you're wanting to turn in your work, turn in. And you wait for it to load. If you're not waiting for it to load, then it's not going to turn in. And there it is, it's turned in late. Okay? And if you go back to your classwork and view it, notice it says turned in late, turned in. Okay, so if you have any questions about missing assignments, that is why it says missing. Where these assignments say graded, this is the assignment that if you do not complete at all, you will get an incomplete for math. So make sure you're completing the graded assignment, please. That is how you are earning your grade as well.